Annyeonghaseyo. Good afternoon, everyone.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Good afternoon. So today we will do a movie marathon. And we have here some snacks, and that is from SJ Nim. Okay, so let's continue watching movie, guys, and get your snack here and some juice. Hi, Sheena. So they are eating the snacks while watching movie. So after watching movie, I will explain what is the movie all about, okay? Tina. Hi, Grazel. Inshin. Lance. Mark. Princess. Edin. Terrence. Glenn. Hi, Ashley. Tantananan. Bidang. To Andrea.
Well, I thought it would be helpful for you to meet some of our students before you start school.
Hi, cute. Hi.
We're in the elementary school, so they know their way around. They'll give you a nice tour.
So, ang other village kids kay nang gawas. Example ba pagkakaroon example na siya problem imo siyang kanang kanang incomfort. Perspective atong panglantaw. Resilience. Isog. Pagka ligdong.
Ligon.
Pagkaligon giday. Ligon. O dapat naatay inner strength. Kay kung manghina ato ang kalooban, so moatras na gid ta kung unsay naa sa ato, di ba?
Oh.
So, I have some question here, guys. Sana matay? Hoy. So, I have some question here, guys. So, first question. What is the name of the rare genetic condition that Augie Pullman was born with? So, naibangutana ron. What is... Okay, ikaw. Oh. Okay. Dili og lang. Treacher-Collins syndrome. So, the rare genetic condition that Augie Pullman was born with is called Treacher-Collins syndrome. Ayaw mo dito sa answer, Treacher-Collins syndrome, uy. Being rude, raman sad no, eh. Kapila na tagabalik ka na. Okay. Second question. Bantay. Kisa to naka-answer na? Mark, ari ka, Mark?
Pwede na ulit din?
Oh, pwede na ka muli, Mark. Out na, Mark. Okay. Second question. What specific object does Augie wear at the beginning of the movie to hide his face? Unsa may specific nga object nga gibutang ni OJ sa iyang ulo para kwan. Okay. Terence. Ha? Okay, duha ang ni answer. Unsa day?
Helmet sa astronaut.
Okay, helmet sa astronaut. Out ang duha. So, duha ka L1 na ang nakagawa. So, kusa ka L2.
Siglin, masilat. Mangutot sila.
Uy, sa bahay mo eh.
Okay,